Good morning, students. Today's topic is PPB or PPM. In previous lecture, I have taught you about the concentration of solution. Concentration of solution is expressed in two ways. First, W by W percentage, second W by V percentage. Weight percentage, and second way was weight volume percentage. Under the topic weight percentage, mass percentage, we have learnt about the mass percentage first topic, and second topic we have learnt about the mole fraction. And we have calculated the mole fraction for any component present in the solution. Now I am taking parts per billion and parts per million. Third term which comes in the under the topic W by W percentage, weight and weight. It means weight of solution. We consider weight of solute and weight of solution. Correct? Weight of solute and weight of solution. So the definition will be based on the weight percentage. Okay, number of parts by mass. First I am taking ppb. Okay, ppb, number of parts by mass of solute dissolved in 10⁻⁹ parts by mass of solution is called ppb, parts per billion. Okay, and formula will be ppb will be equal to mass of solute upon mass of solution multiplied by 10⁻⁹. How much mass of solution? 10⁻⁹ parts by mass of solution. The present amount of solute is called ppb. Correct? If mass of solute expressed in grams and mass of solution is also expressed in grams. Okay, the amount of solute in grams present in the 10⁻⁹ parts by mass of solution, that is called ppb. Clear? Now we will take ppm. Same definition will be here. Number of parts by mass of solute present or dissolved in 10⁻⁹. In place of 10⁻⁹, we will use 10⁻⁶ in case of million. Dissolved in 10⁻⁶ parts by mass of solution is called its ppm. Okay, and we will write its full form, parts per million. Okay, parts per million, and formula will be ppm will be equal to mass of solute in grams upon mass of solution into how much parts by mass of solution? 10⁻⁶. That is called ppm of the solution. We can write this formula like this also. ppb will be equal to WA, weight of solute, upon weight of solute plus weight of solvent is equal to weight of solution into 10⁻⁹. Okay, and here our ppm will be equal to WA upon WA plus WB into 10⁻⁶. That is called ppm. WA is equal to weight or mass of solute. WB is equal to weight or mass of solvent, and WA plus WB equal to weight of solution, which is equal to WA plus WB. Okay. So this is the ppb and ppm. Now I am taking the fourth point, fourth concentration. I am taking the fourth concentration term, that is molality. Okay. Fourth is molality. Okay, molality. Molality, in molality we take definition that number of moles of solute which is dissolved in the 1 kilogram or 1000 gram of solution, that is called its molality. Okay, I am writing the definition, then it will make more clear to you. Okay, number of solute, number of moles of solute dissolved in 1000 gram or 1 kg of solvent. This is the important point, solvent, not solution. I am taking the solvent in place of solution. 1 kg of solvent is called molality of solution. Okay, and it is expressed by capital M. Small m, yes, small m, sorry. Molality. Capital M shows the molarity. Okay, small m shows the molality. Okay, then small m will be equal to small m. I am writing here also. Small m molality will be equal to mass of solute upon how much mass? 1000 gram. 1000 gram of solvent. Correct? And if 1 kilogram, or we can write 1 kg of solvent. Okay, this is the molality. Now molality, if mass of moles, here moles will come, moles of solute. If moles of solute moles of solute is expressed by small n A, correct? Therefore moles of solute will be equal to mass of solute WA upon molar mass of solute. Correct? We know that WA upon capital Ma. Okay? WA upon capital Ma. Mass of solute upon molar mass of solute. We know that Na is equal to WA upon Ma. So this value we will put here, and mass of solvent is equal to WB. It is expressed by WB. Therefore, molality will be equal to moles of solute. In place of moles of solute, we will substitute the value of moles of solute here. Correct? Mass of solute upon molar mass of solute. So mass of solute is expressed by WA. So WA upon capital Ma, molar mass of solute multiplied by 1 upon kilogram. If kilogram is present, then 1 kg of solvent. WB is the mass of solvent in kg. 1 kg. Correct? This is the formula of molality to calculate the molality. And if WB is WB mass of solvent is given in the grams, then you have to change gram into kilogram. Okay, by this formula, if I write here in place of molality, small m will be equal to WA upon MA multiplied by 1000. We have to multiply by 8000 if WB in grams. WB is given in grams. यदि क्वेश्चन में WB ग्राम्स में दिए हुए हैं, so you have to convert the grams into kilogram. So you have to multiply the WA upon MA by 1000. आपको WA और MA को 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा यदि WB जो है वो ग्राम्स में दिए हुए हैं. ठीक है, तो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ मोलैलिटी टू कैलकुलेट द मोलैलिटी. क्लियर? वी विल डू द सम. Suppose question is given to you. I am writing here the formula. Okay. Question is 3.65 gram. 3.65 gram HCl is present in 103.65 gram solution. Okay, then calculate the molality of the solution. Calculate the molality of solution. This is the question. Now you have the formula small m solution. Small m is equal to WA upon MA multiplied by 1000 upon WB into grams. Okay. WA is equal to weight of solute, which is given to you 3.65 gram. Okay, and MA molecular weight of solute, molar mass of solute. HCl will be equal to hydrogen 1 plus 35.5 gram is equal to 36.5 gram. Correct? Okay, and WB mass of solvent will be equal to mass of solvent is given to you solution. Here solution is given to you. Mass of solution is given to you, but we have to write the mass of solvent here. So mass of solution minus mass of solute, correct, will be equal to mass of solution क्या दिया हुआ है, which is given to you 103.65 minus mass of solute is given to you 3.65. Then you have to calculate it. Answer will be WB will be 36.5. 36 means it will be 100 gram. 100 gram. Okay, करके देख लेते हैं. 103.65 minus 0.00 yes, 100 gram. Correct. So okay, now WB we have calculated, MA I have calculated, and WA we have calculated. Now substitute all the values in this formula. Small m is equal to WA will be equal to 3.65. Capital MA will be 36.5, correct? Multiplied by WB will be equal to 100 and into 1000. Okay, we will solve it. लगभग इसकी आंसर निकाल लीजिएगा. You will find the one answer. You will get the one answer and 1 molal. It will be called as 1 molal solution answer. ठीक है. In this way, we will calculate the molality of the solution. Okay. Now, I am taking the next point. Equivalent weight I have already described in previous section. Now, next I am taking the weight volume percentage. Okay. Yes, in next section we will calculate the weight volume percentage. Till then, goodbye. See you. Take care. Okay. And first of all, subscribe my channel. Okay.